everybody. Welcome to Concepts of Physical Wellness Online. I'm your instructor, Sheila Stepp, and I wanted to send you this video to let you know that the course is now open and you'll be able to begin poking around and looking. Remember, classes begin officially tomorrow, but I wanted to give you sort of a head start. If you take a look when you open up the Blackboard shell, you'll be able to select our course, which is the Concept of Physical Wellness. And then you will see that we have a home page. So I would like to get there so that you can see that. The home page has only announcements on there and the name of our course. As things are due and changes happen, I will send announcements via email as well as posting any email onto this announcement. So if you think, oh my goodness, I forgot something, I don't know where it is, this is where you would send it. The next piece or the next toggle that you need to go to is information. When you get to information, this opens up a whole page of items that are really vital for you to sort of make yourself aware of in the very beginning. First and foremost, this folder is important links. This has anything to do with institutional help assistance. So SUNY Orange and SUNY Central. Remember that our course, Blackboard Shell, is operated on the SUNY Orange campus and is for SUNY Orange students. However, we use the services of SUNY Central to provide us with the Blackboard platform. If you have any troubles with Blackboard, meaning being able to open certain documents and things such in that nature, you can certainly send me an email and I'll try to help you best as possible. But oftentimes it's a bigger issue with the SUNY Central. So there are all kinds of informations in here about how to get help, where to go, what needs to happen, and everything else. So from that standpoint, these are those basic information. Also underneath the information tab, you will find a welcome address that I've given you. Please take time to read this, see what's going on. You'll see that the dates are listed for the January, February semester. It just goes to show you that we operate on a week-to-week basis, and discussion boards and things such as that nature are due within a 48-hour time frame. So that's some basic information, but yes, I am aware that it does not include summer session dates. So this is getting started, the how to make sure that you do discussion boards, the basic discussion board information, the course syllabus, things that you'll need. This is an OER course, which means that it's called Open Educational Resources. You do not purchase a textbook. However, you need to make sure that you can access this textbook. You look around and you do go back and forth with each and every week and see what parts of the textbook are necessary. That'll be helpful for you. There's a critical self-reflection that needs to happen with each and every one of these homework assignments, and this is how you do it, and I'll show you that later. There's some other information, some interesting information just about the course. What is wellness? How does it relate to everything else that we're going to be talking about, and how is it different from fitness? So this is the basic things that will get you started. Where the meat and potatoes are for your course, so to speak, is underneath the Content tab. As you see, I've opened up the Content tab and there are folders. Here's a couple videos. You'll have several videos of my date. So fun. But the bottom line is that when you get here, you will note that underneath each and every one of these folders, the title is followed by the date. The dates for each one of these folders is when your assignments are due. So there's an introduction assignment, and we're going to look in here in a minute. And that's this assignment is open from 5:27 until 5:31. You will see that then there are 3 more folders: the Lifetime Wellness, Health and Fitness, Understanding Body. Understanding the Components of Fitness, and Lifestyle Disease Prevention, all due within the first week. They're abbreviated assignments, but you will have discussion boards that you'll need to post. So instantly you'll open up the introduction. One more time, the introduction has some assignments. Please take a few minutes to poke around the course, find out what you need to know, and then answer these questions. You'll have the introduction assignment that you need to put in here. Please take all of your assignments, type them into a Word document. You may save them as a PDF. You can take every single PDF that you have for each assignment and combine them. Do not send multiple attachments to the homework. It makes it very difficult to download and open. And so therefore, we've gotten several viruses. So I ask that you combine all of your PDFs into one single PDF and attach one item. Once you submit that item, it is finished, which means that you can work on it, you can do different things, but once you submit it, you only get one submission. Be careful of that. The next thing is that you will have a discussion. So you can click on the discussion within that folder. It opens up into the discussion board. You will note that there's all types of discussions. So you will have to pay attention to which discussion you're doing. So this is the intro, this is D1, this is D1B. So you'll have to make sure that you come to the correct one. It doesn't just open directly into here. They're all available. Your discussion posts need to be rather meaty. You will first and foremost, within 48 hours of the chapter opening, you will type your post. It's called your original post. Then you will need to reply to 2 fellow students before the chapter closes. And that, again, is on the due date of the folder. So again, you cannot say to somebody, yo, man, I agree with you. I dig your answer. That's groovy. Nope, that's not acceptable. You have to take a look at the discussion board information, take a look at the discussion board grading rubric, but it requires that you move the discussion forward, asking different questions, giving opinions, and coming from a place of inquiry and not blame or challenge. So then you'll want to take a look and notice that we also have exercise sessions. So you'll be required to perform exercise, both fitness assessments and evaluations, and then you'll submit that program design based off of those exercise principles. I will approve it, and then the following week you will need to perform it. You will also log that exercise and provide some information. I've given multiple examples throughout the course in here, but what people often think is that this is a distance learning class, so I won't have to do any exercise. It is the concepts of physical wellness class, just like we run it in the classroom, and therefore you are required to do exercise. You're always welcome to give me a call if you're on campus or you want to stop by, if you want me to help you with your fitness assessment, or if you would like help. People oftentimes call me to get their body fat composition measured. I'm happy to do any of those things for you. Please remember that you need to listen to your body during the exercise sessions. The summer has a possibility of being quite warm, and if you have not been exercising on a regular basis, this could be more challenging. So, as we go through all the chapters, you will note that there is a final exam. The final exam is unlike any other final exam that you have probably at this institution. It is a portfolio. I encourage you to begin looking at it and building the portfolio as we move through the program. The portfolio portion requires that you reflect upon the different assessments, what you might want to do, how you'll set up your goals, how you'll remove some barriers, and then how you might find support to help you reach your goals. So if you do that throughout the semester, and remember, this is a 6-week semester compared to our traditional 15-week semester, so things go a little bit quicker. Well, double time, actually. So the bottom line is that you want to be able to work smarter as we move through this. So I hope that this little brief introduction into everything that we do for the course is helpful. I will attach weekly videos. Please look for those on Sundays. I'll try to do my best to get them to you by each Sunday. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, any problems, or any challenges, please feel free to email me at sheila.stepp@sunyorange.edu, or you can call my office. I teach in Newburgh on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and Middletown on Mondays and Wednesdays. So phone calls might be a little tricky to get. Okay? I hope all's well, and I look forward to learning with you. Thank you. Have a great day.